Right, good evening. It's it's the 19th when I'm doing this voiceover right now. This was filmed on the 12th, last Sunday. I just literally put the tripod on the fence because I was just taking down the old metal shed. As you can see, there's a couple of hens outside, just walking around. My two silver lace pullets, well, hens were laying now from last year, and I mean dry. Yeah, it was dry last Sunday. You can probably tell I won't be filming else, but there was a lot of banging going on, so you won't even hear none of that. But I had a comment on my video with my eggs gone in. Yeah, when my eggs gone in, no, not that. No, my first voiceover that my cockerel didn't look too well. Well, a couple of days later, he did die. He is nearly 5 years old. He was, so I knew he would die. I knew he was on his way out. It was a very sad day, but anyway, this bit of the video was a bit it was a little bit windy, and it's not focusing properly. It was quite annoying. It just carries on and on. You can probably see on the right hand side that's my nephew just getting a wheelbarrow for me. Now it's stopped. But yeah, there's my old leghorns. I see them running across, making loads of noise. The rest of them, oh, here I come. There's me. I don't know what I'm actually doing. I'm going back. Yeah, the rest of them must be. Got my nephew to put grass in to keep him occupied, and you know. Basically, well, there's my cockerel, my silver lace cockerel that hatched last year. I got rid of the other one. You probably said before. Yeah, so I've got one cockerel in there. In the spring, I may even sell hatching eggs. Silver lace Wyandotte cross Jagged Leghorns. And some of you may know that I do have a Wyandotte cross in with my chickens. I'll point her out if she comes in the screen again. Oh, there she is, down the bottom now. She is a silver lace Wyandotte cross, a white leghorn. She's bigger than a leghorn, but she still has a rose cone, like her father. Father is Hank, my breeding cockerel. Here she is now, look. She's got the Wyandotte shape, not the Wyandotte shape, the leghorn shape, the tail. And she's a lot bigger than a little white leghorn, hence, you know, she's a Wyandotte for starter. But yeah, good looking bird. You know, I mean, it's nice to get a silver lace crossed, a wind up cross executive leghorn would be quite, would be looking good, little birds. Yeah, it was a little bit windy, and it was a little bit noisy. We were making quite a lot of noise. So I may take you over to the noise now. Right, as you can probably hear, it's a little bit windy. There's no actually banging when I took the recording off. We must have finished the banging. Must have banging anyway. I have a Facebook page. It's called. I'll put a link in the description. Please like and share. I'll be posting all my videos on there. I think it's called Paddy Goes Racing / YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. So yeah, they're running out. The chickens are running out the house, just get a bit of protection from the wind. Yeah, basically this year I'm going to replace the shed. I've had that up 3 years nearly. That shed, it's done really well. Look at the size of the white leghorn. It's not very big. Look at the size of the Wyandotte. But I must be banging again. I think those white leghorns are a couple of years old now. 2 years old. I had 5 originally. Well, I'm coming to the last about 40 seconds ago. Just remind you, please like my video, subscribe to Paddy Goes Racing, share. Also my Facebook page, I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this has been an interesting video. We can please give me some questions. I want some questions so I can answer some deer on the next video. Thanks for watching.